Deep beneath the earth, ancient remains transform into thick, dark crude oil over millions of years. Giant drills reach down, pumping this precious liquid gold to the surface for processing. At the refinery, the oil is heated until it separates into various useful components. Scientists isolate specific molecules called monomers, the essential building blocks of all plastics. These monomers undergo polymerization, linking together to form long, strong chains called polymers. The result is a versatile material, often appearing as tiny, clear plastic pellets. These pellets are melted down and poured into molds to create endless everyday shapes. From water bottles to toys, the plastic cools and hardens into its final form. Factories package these items, ready to be shipped to stores across the entire world. Consumers purchase these goods, integrating them into their daily lives for convenience and utility. However, this process reminds us that every piece of plastic has a deep geological origin. By recycling, we honor the earth and manage these valuable resources with greater care.